you please? Perhaps I have such special needs. I wondered what was wrong with me. My friends all fall so easily.
Called the first one savage, mold my mood, that's what it was. 2016 we was running around, up in the club. I know she around for the money, but act like she loyal, I don't for the love. I'm so rich, get bored, might wake up, buy me a car just cause. This is hard cause she spent the 5, my b****, cost me a dub.
What's up, guys? About to unbox my wheels.
Them motherfuckers too aggressive. What the fuck, nigga?
LOL. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, you gotta get that handy dandy key, you know what I'm saying? He got me going psycho.
She got me going down, down, down.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Damn!
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
But yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. Those are the wheels. Y'all stay tuned for more. Yo. Now I'm about to get the wheels put on. Today's a different day. And yeah.
I was like, damn, nigga, what you doing out here with all this ass?
So I have the wheels in the car, one in the front seat, 3 in the back. I got 2 of my tires in the trunk, and I got my homie coming to get the other 2, and he's riding with me there. And yeah, we about to head there now. We heading to Pep Boys, and I got a homie that work at Pep Boys. So we're gonna see if he can put the tires on for free, maybe. So we're gonna test our luck with that. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, guys. We made it to Pep Boys, as you can see. My boy Brian, he back in the back working. You know what I'm saying? He gonna get me right. They tried to tell your boy they can't put the wheels on today because they backed up. But you know my boy Brian gonna get me right. Yes, sir. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna get that thing on the lift. We're gonna get them wheels on there. No cap. Yes, sir. Let's see it. Let's see it. Don't scratch my wheel, boy. It's about time, man. You know what I'm saying? Right, Brian? Ooh. Yeah. All right, guys, all 4 tires are put on. Here's one up here. The other one's in the trunk. My homie got 2 in his car. About to head back to the house and put the wheels on.
You gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitch running around this bitch named all the coders. Yeah, I just told her make a story. Yeah, I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I told her style my mix. Yeah, I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. Let's go. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the lamb chop. I just pulled up in some food. I told her mama tie all my shoes. Showed her $2 million in cash, now she woozing. 20 watches and I'm still snoozing. I had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said, you Merkle, I show you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. Bitch got a backwood on her nightstand, she must be fucking with Gunna. Yeah, yeah. I fuck with slacks and we gonna eat rats, and I came with some fucking piranhas.